Welcome to Craft Time. We're very happy that you're here with us today. This week in Storytime, we have been learning all about spring weather. Adults, if you would like your child to join our live Zoom story times, or you'd like to watch our recorded story times, please visit our website, click the Spring Storytime graphic, and it will take you to all of the information you need. So today we will be making this kite because we fly kites in that windy spring weather. All right, let's look in your craft bag labeled spring. See how it says spring at the top? In your bag, you will find a paper that has an outline of a kite on it, and then you will find 4 triangles. Let's look at our 4 triangles. We have a red one, a yellow one, a green one, and a blue one. And then from home, you'll also need a glue stick and some crayons. Let's begin. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to put our triangles in the triangles of each of the parts of the kite. Now, we have found that the best way to do this is to put the glue on the paper, the inside of that triangle on the paper, and then choose whatever color you want. Let's do yellow. And then you turn it until it fits in there just right, and you give it a good tap, tap, tap. It's almost like a puzzle, so it's best if you put it on the paper and turn the triangles to get it to fit right. All right, let's see. Let's do red over here. So again, I'm going to put my glue on the inside of the triangle of the kite. And then I'm going to switch these around, move it around until I get it to fit right. There you go. So that's 2. Now let's do this one down here. What color should we do down here? Should we do green? Let's do green. All right, let's see, does it fit this way? Nope. There we go. Give it a good tap, tap, tap. Rub, rub, rub. And then finally, what's the color that's left over? Do you know what that is? It's blue. You're right. So let's see. Here's my blue. Does it fit like this? No. Like that? No. There we go. Give it a good tap, 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 and rub, rub, rub. And there is your kite. Now, the rest is up to you. You can color this part in here brown if it's a stick. You could color it black. You could color it purple. You could color it anything, any color you want. And you can also color all of the pieces of the kite tail you want. We would love to see how you decorate your kite, but we hope you have a great week. Thank you for crafting with me today, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.